Welcome back to Product Critique, your trusted source for the best and boldest tech for pets. Today, we're looking at what is easily the best GPS tracker for dog collars out there right now, the Tractive Smart Dog GPS Tracker. If you're serious about your dog's safety, health, and well-being, you'll want to stick around for this. Let's start with what makes this device stand out immediately. Real-time GPS tracking. Unlike other trackers that update location every minute or so, Tractive updates your dog's location every 2 to 3 seconds. That means you're not watching a vague dot on a map. You're actually following your dog's real movement, step by step, whether they're in the backyard or across the world. There's absolutely no range limit. Wherever your dog has cellular coverage, you'll know where they are. But this isn't just a GPS tracker. It's a full-blown health and safety system for your dog. One of the standout features is vital signs monitoring. The Tractive tracker keeps an eye on your dog's heart rate and respiratory rate, giving you a heads up if something's out of the ordinary. It's like a wellness checkup running quietly in the background every day. It also includes bark and behavior alerts. Over time, Tractive learns your dog's typical sleep patterns, activity levels, and barking behavior. If something unusual is detected, maybe your pup is barking excessively or sleeping more than usual, you get a notification instantly. Early detection means you can act before a health issue gets serious. Let's talk about safety on the go. With the virtual fence feature, you can draw custom boundaries on the map, your yard, the dog park, wherever your dog roams. If your dog leaves this safe zone, Tractive sends you an escape alert the moment it happens. And if you're trying to retrace your dog's steps, the location history lets you see exactly where they've been. Physically, this device is built to last. It's lightweight enough for any dog over 8 pounds, fully waterproof, and designed to handle mud, rain, or even a swim. The upgraded LED light and louder sound make it easier to find your dog in low visibility situations, especially at night. It lasts up to 14 days on a single charge depending on usage, far longer than most trackers on the market. Now, there is a subscription required. But here's the thing. It's what powers the unlimited range and global tracking, thanks to the built-in SIM card with unlimited data. No hidden charges, and the plans start at just $5 a month. If you're unsure, they offer a 30-day money-back guarantee so you can try it totally risk-free. In terms of value, the Tractive Smart Dog GPS Tracker is currently available with a 40% discount, dropping the price to just over $41. That's a huge deal for a product packed with real-time tracking, health alerts, and escape prevention. So to wrap it up, whether you've got a curious explorer, a backyard adventurer, or just a furry friend you want to keep safe and healthy, the Tractive Smart Dog GPS Tracker is hands down the most complete and reliable collar tracker available right now. That's it for this episode of Product Critique. Don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives into the tech that makes life better for you and your pets. See you in the next one.